Snow was falling softly outside, and the world looked like it was wrapped in a white blanket. Inside a small cozy house, a little girl named Lena sat by the window, holiday a jar full of colorful buttons. Her mother asked, Lena, what are you doing, my dear? Lena smiled and said, I am thinking of making something special for Christmas, but I only have buttons, not ornaments or glitters. Her mother smiled. Sometimes, my dear, the most beautiful decoration comes from the simplest things. Lena looked at the Christmas tree corner. It was empty this year. Her father had lost his job, and they could not buy a new tree or fancy lights. But Lena's heart was full of hope. She thought for a moment and said, maybe I can make a Christmas tree, one that doesn't need to be bought. She took a piece of cardboard, some glue, and opened her little button jar. It had green, white, gold buttons of every color shined like tiny treasures. Dina drew a triangle shape, the shape of the Christmas tree. The began of glue buttons one by one. Her mother joined her. Then her younger brother brought a few old buttons from his toy box. And soon everyone was part of a little project. Their living room filled with laughter, music, and the smell of cookies baking in the oven. They forgot about gifts, money, or worries. They were creating something together. Each button they placed carried a story, and from her grandma's coat, one from her father's old jacket, one shiny golden button from her mother's wedding dress. The tree was not made of plastic or paper, it was made of memories. When the button tree was finished, it looked stunning. It was not big, it was not fancy, but it was full of heart. Lena placed it on the wall near the window, and when the sunlight touched the buttons in the morning, they sparkled like tiny stars. That every neighbor came to visit. They saw a button tree and said, oh, what a beautiful decoration. Where did you buy it? Lena proudly said, we did not buy it, we made it together. Everyone smiled. That night their small home felt warmer than ever. It was filled with togetherness, love, and light. The lesson of the button tree. As they sat around the handmade tree, Lena's mother said softly, this tree reminds us that Christmas is not about expensive gifts or shiny lights. It's about love, kindness, and family. Her father added, these buttons are like people, all different, all unique, but when we come together, we create something beautiful. That night, Lena wrote a small card or hang it on the tree. It said, may every button remind us that small things made with love can make the biggest difference. Christmas to remember. Years later, even when Lena grew up, she kept that same button tree every Christmas. Some buttons had faded, some thread has loosened, but the memories, they never faded. Every Xmas she would tell her children the same story about the year they could not afford a tree but ended up creating the most beautiful one of all. And that's the magic of Christmas. You don't need to buy happiness. You can create it with love, creativity, and togetherness. So this Christmas, if you have a few buttons, a little glue, and a lot of heart, make your own button tree. Because handmade things don't just decorate your home, they fill your heart with memories, warmth, and peace. Happy Xmas and happy crafting. Hope you enjoying this video. We want to share some good message for you, for your kids, for your children. Because Xmas is not just about expensive thing and give them us inferiority complex. It's about giving, it's about happiness and many more. So thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. May your life fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. Thanks to Allah. Thanks to Allah for everything you have, for your wealth, for your health, for everything. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for everything. I wish your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, happiness, togetherness, and many more. Thank you so much for your amazing response. Have a very nice, very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you. Stay blessed. Many more you have in your life.